pieces are king, queen, rooks, bishop, knight and pawns. The Raja is called king, the Rani is called queen, the camel is called bishop or the horse is called knight, the elephant is called rooks and the army is called pawns. The aim is to checkmate other players' king. Chess is a game of thinking and smart move. It helps to improve memory and focus.
Each player consists one king, one queen, two rooks, two knights, two bishops and 8 pawns. The pieces move only specific way, with king moving on square in any direction. The queen can move horizontally, vertically or diagonally in any two number of square.
Rook move only horizontally or vertically on any number of square. Bishop move diagonally to any number of square. Knight move in a L-shape. Pawns move forward one square but capture diagonally. The object of the game is to checkmate the opposite team, which means putting it in a position where it cannot escape capture.
The game also ends in a draw if neither player has enough piece left to force a checkmate. Chess improve our thinking power. उड़ते बकऱ्यांना पत्तीची तमाल असावी, उडते बकऱ्यांना पत्तीची तमाल असावी, नजरेत सदैव नवी दिशा असावी, नजरेत सदैव नवी दिशा असावी. घोटाचे काय बांधता येईल केव्हाही, घोटाचे काय बांधता येईल केव्हाही, फक्त क्षितिजा पलीकडे झेप घेण्याची जिद्द मनात असावी, फक्त क्षितिजा पलीकडे झेप घेण्याची जिद्द मनात असावी. So today we will talk about Vishwanathan Anand. Vishwanathan Anand, the best player who took chess to great heights in the world. He was born on December 11, 1969 in Chennai. He became world chess champion in 2000. He won the championship for 5 times. He is known for his fast and clever moves. खिलता है उपवंजब नई फसलें आती है, खिलता है उपवंजब नई फसलें आती है और देश का सीना चौड़ा हो जाता जब जीत के कोई खिलाड़ी वापस देश आता है, और देश का सीना चौड़ा हो जाता जब जीत के कोई खिलाड़ी वापस देश आता है. स्वागत में उसके पूरा देश खड़ा होता है, स्वागत में उसके पूरा देश खड़ा होता है. तिरंगा भी शान से लहराता है, तिरंगा भी शान से लहराता है. खेल से राष्ट्रीय भावना आती है, खेल से राष्ट्रीय भावना आती है और देशभक्ति की भावना जागृत होती है, और देशभक्ति की भावना जागृत होती है. विश्वनाथन आनंद was the first Asian to become world chess champion. He received the Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan awards. He became an international master at the age of 50. He is one of the best chess players in the world. Vishwanathan Anand inspired many young chess players. Vishwanathan Anand learned to play chess from his mother when he was 6 years old. By the time he had 14, he had won the international junior championship. At the age of 50, he becoming the first youngest Indian to earn the international master title. At the age of 70, he becoming the first Asian to win a world chess title. People call him Lightning Kid of India and Speed Chess Master of India. He completed his bachelor in commerce degree for Neolas College, Chennai. He won both chess championship 2007, 2008, 2010 and 2010. 6 times he won chess award in 1997, 1998, 2003, 2004 and he received Arjuna Award, Padma Shri, Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, Padma Vibhushan by the Indian government. He is known for his fast thinking and calm nature. मशाला सो की दीवार सो दूर करतो अंधार, मशाला सो की दीवार सो दूर करतो अंधार, संघर्षाच्या वाटसरूंना रुजवा माणसं मशालून तुमच्यासाठी पेटायला येतील. खेळामधून सास रुजवा माणसं मशालून तुमच्यासाठी पेटायला येतील. Vishwanathan Anand family have been very supportive. His father Vishwanathan Iyer was a manager in the South Railway while his mother Sushila Anand was a housewife and he found of a chase. Anand family has always support and increased him in chess joining. Anand's skill and strategy in chess have placed him among the world top players in Alas. I like to say that sport teaches you to endure pain. Sport teaches you to endure pain and overcome the difficulties. Now we are going to present one wonderful poem in front of you. So let's start. चुप चाप पीछा बोर्ड पे चलती है बुद्धि की आंधी. हर मोहर एक सोच बने, हलचल हो जैसे क्रांति. ना तलवार ना सेना साथ, सिद्धि माँ का था हथियार. विश्वनाथ आनंद ने जीता दुनिया का हर शतरंज खेल. राजा भी सोच में पड़ जाए जब आनंद चले अपनी चाल. समय भी थक कर हो जाए, उसकी गति थी बेमिसाल. भारत के माथे का तिलक, शान स्वभाव घेरा न्याय. जीत कर भी जो झुक कर बोले वही होता है महान.
Blue, black, lightning strikes on the border of black and white. Conquering knights and queens, the game unfolds tonight. From Indies to the world, a legend still unfolds. With strategy in his mind, a champion brave and bold. Many wonder underneath the glaring light. That's what's flying high, moving moves that hypnotize. Every move story told, pieces dancing his will. Winning battles yet untold, he reigns with iron skill. Silencing the lost gate, cutting loose their champion fame. Crowning victory his name, echoes like a crowding flame. There's light underneath the glaring light. That's what's flying high, ruling moves that hypnotize. This is just हाजत में जो ये मजा है, इसके दिलदार रंग सीखे खेल आजमाए. जग में इंडिया के संग जिससे हुई कौंडलियां कब्र छत से बनना चाहे उड़ता. शतरंज का कमाल, शतरंज का कमाल, शतरंज का कमाल, शतरंज का कमाल. मुझे नया के बना दो, ट्रैप लगा के मैं बस करा दो. खुद
मुझे क्या पता तू करेगा खता फिर मैच की कथा को प्रथा बना दो तेरी टाइम जाने से कैसे तू नीचे देख मैं पीछे गुरुजी ने से काला बनाया किसी यूं करेंगे लूंगा बगीचे
एक मिनट बगीचे
हाँ बगीचे अटैकिंग कोई लिया
क्या दिल दर्द से मिस और मन में खोज में बसते जब हो जाए क्या तुझे जाने
मेरी